Step into the future of industrial wood processing with the HT R1SM CNC nesting machine built for high performance and unmatched precision. This machine features an intelligent cool change system that allows seamless switching between operations, saving time and boosting productivity. With every cut, the dual saw spindle is designed for maximum efficiency, handling complex panel designs with ease and delivering clean, consistent results on every edge. With a working speed of up to 60 meters per minute, this machine is ready to meet the demands of large-scale production environments, whether you are cutting MDF plywood particle board or other composite materials. The HT R1SM adapts to every task with stability and power. The integrated vacuum table holds materials firmly in place, while the intelligent dust collection system keeps your workspace clean and your machine running smoothly. The smart control system offers a user-friendly interface, giving operators full command over tool paths, depth and speed adjustments, ensuring every job meets tight tolerances and high aesthetic standards. The advanced automatic lubrication system protects the key moving parts from wear and extends the machine's service life even under continuous operation. Engineered with a strong steel frame and high-precision linear guides, the HT R1SM guarantees vibration-free motion and high accuracy even on the most demanding nesting jobs. The rotating saw unit provides flexible angle cuts, while the 12-position tool magazine ensures that the right tool is always ready at the right time. From furniture manufacturing to custom cabinetry and interior paneling, this machine is the trusted choice for workshops aiming to elevate output quality and production speed all in one solution. Discover the power, speed, and accuracy of the HT R1SM and take your woodshop into the next generation of CNC technology. Let relax and watch. Have a good day.